So Echoes in My Mind is one of the tracks from Night Tales 2, and currently this is the one on Track Source that is performing the best. So it's in the Soulful House chart, and it's just gone in at number 88, which is incredible because I know the Soulful House chart is a hard one to crack. But I just wanted to show you some of the work that goes into this, and particularly some of these orchestral elements. Like this cello, for example, sounds just incredible, particularly when we take the beats away. And I'm going to bring this up. So this is from the Kontakt Factory Library. There's a beautiful pad here called Triton. I'm going to bring this up. It's simply called the pad. Nice guitar and bass. I'll reveal more about those on a more dedicated video. But I do want to come back, actually, just to show you this arpeggiation. This is another Kontakt instrument. I'll bring this up, the Mallet Flux, which has got a real, beautiful texture to it that really does stand out on this track. So yeah, it's from Night Tales 2, and I definitely encourage you to check it out in the story version, because that's really where you're going to understand the whole kind of the narrative. And of course, the music's really important, and I hope you enjoyed that as well. All right, cheers.